So this is the recording for doing question number one. Let's look at question number one here. We're going to read it out loud and then work through it. Which statement about the function n of x equals 5x to the power of 2 minus 20x plus 12 is true? True is probably a key word, and let's look at our blank to fill out. So the question, what is it asking for? It's asking for truth. What is given in the equation? Well, we are given a function. How are we going to answer this? So looking for domain and range, it looks like all these questions. We'll say Desmos. We're going to graph it and work from there. So when you use Desmos, you should be using the star Desmos. It has a green thing. I don't have that on my iPad, so you're going to see a different type of Desmos, but you'll use the same stuff for it. So we have 5x squared minus 20x plus 12. So let's go here. Okay, so this is our equation. Oh, I messed this up. This should be minus. No huge difference, but we want to have it all right. So we'll look at this and we'll kind of look and see what we see. It looks like it keeps going up, and it looks like it does go left to right. There's a key feature we want to know about these in particular. The key feature is domain for any quadratic function, a function that looks like this, has this x squared in it, right? Let me see. The x squared right here. It's going to be negative infinity x greater than infinity. With that information, we can look at our answer choices. Well, this right here is definitely different from this, so we can cross it out. This right here is also very different from this, so we can cross this out. As a side note, there's another way to write domain, which would be all real numbers. Now let's look at the other two. We're looking at range. Dealing with y value. So the y value is going to be a maximum or a minimum. So let's take a look and let's say, what's the lowest this could go? Well, the lowest it can go is 2 comma negative 8. If we look at 2 comma negative 8, we have x comma y. Y equals negative 8. Now let's look at our answer choices here. The range of the function is n of x is less than or equal to 12. So does that work? Well, I don't even know where we're getting this 12 from, but also less than doesn't seem to make much sense. So, and this is greater than. So greater than negative 8, well, let's see. Look at all these values. These are all, if we notice, all these y values are greater than negative 8. We'll go this way. The same thing holds true. So it looks like this one is the most true. So we say this one is true, and we'd say we're probably good for this question. Looking at the next question, you might notice something different, similar. This question right here, this is a you do, so I expect you to do this. You need to check your folder to help you with this one. So you're going to check your folder, go to the last page, and you're going to check the information right here and see which one is true and which one's false.